left, and my hands like these or like this. We do 4 jumps and try to do 1 circle and half to finish and look into the audience. So, jumps 1, 2, 3, 4. I finish, yes, and I look into the audience. And now I'm changing my jumps. I do like side, center, side, center, side, center, side, and jump. And I add the normal 8 with here. Right, left, right, left. So we combine these and we have like 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change jumps. 5, 6, 7, and 8.